All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Just want to say if you're Alexis Hernandez, drop me a comment with your cash tag so we can talk. Anyways, jumping into today's video, still working on these HVAC units. The third type of unit, as you can see, the box is longer up there in the top right corner. And I went ahead and finished this one. This one was probably the highest unit that I've had to work on. It's probably like 18 foot tall. As you can see, the ceiling right there with the 2x4 metal 2x4 studs, that is at least 13 or 14 feet high, and then the box above that is another good 4 or 5 feet up from there, so pushing like 17, 18 feet. Anyways, mounted the box. If you go back and look, I mounted the DAT box underneath of the piping on that last one. Moving into the second room, kind of cramped there in the corner, had to stick my ladder there in the corner, and then mounted the DAT box right before this 90 on the HVAC. So pretty easy day. It actually went by extremely fast. I didn't even want to go to work this morning because I was super itchy and tired from yesterday. Definitely wasn't doing electrical at my uncle's house, if that's what you're wondering. So I was crawling around in the crawl space and stuff like that, and got a whole bunch of insulation down my clothes. Spent the night at my friend's house, so I didn't get a new pair of underwear, and I guess I got like insulation on my underwear, so that was good times. But I did bring extra pants and shirts, so that was nice. I wasn't extremely itchy. So I ended up working like 10 hours yesterday, so I was just really sore and sticking my hand through the wall all day, doing some kitchen work, dealing with insulation and all that good stuff. So anyways, this is the last unit that I was working on. This one is nice because I have a wall right next to it, so I can kind of hold on to it if I need to. But anyways, pretty basic, and the day went by really quick, especially because I left early after an 8-hour day. So all right, everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thanks so much for the support. Don't forget to like and subscribe on this video if you enjoyed it. Definitely not trying to stay ahead of Mad Electrician, so don't forget to subscribe so I can stay ahead of him. Just kidding, not really. Anyways, description down below for anything else like video series or any information like social medias. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. But I just want to give you guys an update. Had a really great weekend, hung out with my friends, hung out with my lady friend, and so it was a really good weekend, really relaxing and just really enjoyable. Hopefully you guys had a great weekend. Glad to be back and making videos for you guys. Sorry I didn't have any extra videos over the weekend, but I got you one on Friday, so happy about that. But I did want to just say I got some feedback on the last video talking about old electricians, and I can't remember exactly what I said in the video, if I said something offensive, but by the title I was just trying to make it kind of clickbaity a little bit, saying that can old electricians do anything right. And I didn't mean all old electricians suck or anything like that. I love old electricians. They super knowledgeable, they're just friendly people, super helpful for the most part as far as I've ever had to deal with old electricians. But just these last two people that I've had to work with didn't seem to be the best, or kept missing a whole bunch of things. So I wasn't trying to group everyone together and saying that all old electricians are terrible. I just posed the question, can they do anything right? And I don't remember if I said in the video, if I specifically said in the video if I said anything offensive in that video. But anyways, I apologize if I upset any of you guys. I know there's a few older watchers, and I appreciate you guys, and I love the support, and didn't mean anything bad by that, so hopefully we're all good. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. That should do it. Have a great rest of your day. God bless, and I will see you later. Peace out.